Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Linking your bank account to PrizePicks makes withdrawals and deposits simple. Here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open your browser and search PrizePicks. Log into your PrizePicks account using the app or website. Now go to the menu and select the account settings or payment methods option. Choose the option to add link a bank account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and the routing number. Make sure the information is accurate. Follow the verification process. PrizePicks may send a small test deposit to confirm your bank account. Once verified, your bank account will be successfully linked to your PrizePicks account. You are ready to make deposits or withdraw your winnings. And that's it. Linking your bank account to PrizePicks is secure and straightforward. Thanks for watching.